Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Explainur.com podcast, where we simplify digital marketing without putting you to sleep.
And where side hustles don't require selling your soul or spending all your savings on ads.
Today, we're diving into something a lot of people think they understand, but don't. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. What's the real difference? Why does it matter, especially for students?
Spoiler alert, one involves billboards and uncle-owned printing shops. The other lets you sell a course from your dorm room at 2 a.m. with zero inventory.
Let's break it down. No jargon, just real talk. Grab your coffee or whatever your hustle fuel is. Let's go.
All right, so let's start old school. Traditional marketing. Think TV ads, radio, newspapers, magazines, flyers, billboards.
And of course, that creepy local mascot dancing outside a shop in a giant animal costume.
Can't unsee it. But yeah, traditional marketing is physical. It's offline. You need serious budgets, a design team, maybe even a printing press. It's like launching a rocket just to send a postcard.
And it worked back in the day. I mean, who didn't see a Coca-Cola ad on TV and immediately want one? Now entered digital marketing. This is anything promoted through screens, Instagram posts, YouTube ads, SEO blogs, emails, websites, reels.
Even memes. If you've ever been sold something through a meme, congrats, you've been digitally marketed.
Digital marketing is fast, flexible, and friendly to broke students. You can literally start with $0, just time and Wi-Fi.
Here's an analogy. Traditional marketing is like sending physical invites to a party. Digital marketing is like creating a viral reel that makes people beg to come to your party.
So let's compare them, point by point. Speed. With digital, you can launch a campaign in 30 minutes. Traditional, weeks, maybe months.
Scale. A newspaper ad reaches a city. A viral tweet, the entire planet.
Cost. A billboard can cost lakhs, but a student can run a targeted Instagram ad for $20 and still get real engagement.
And let's not forget feedback. With digital, you instantly know what's working. With traditional, you're guessing, like shouting into the void and hoping someone claps.
Okay, real talk. Traditional marketing is still used by big brands with big money.
But if you're a student just starting out, digital marketing is your playground. You don't need permission, just a phone, an idea, and some creativity.
Exactly. Let's say you're selling handmade notebooks. With traditional, you'd need to print flyers. With digital, post a reel showing how you made them, and boom, it can blow up overnight.
There's this quote I love: the best marketing doesn't feel like marketing. Digital marketing allows you to blend in with content, like an ad disguised as a tip or meme.
Also, digital marketing teaches you skills you can sell. Content creation, SEO, social media strategy. That's resume plus side hustle fuel.
Quick reminder, if you're liking this, head over to Explainur.com. We've got beginner-friendly content to get you started today. No MBA required.
Let's be fair. Traditional still works in some places.
Like political campaigns.
Or when you're targeting people who aren't online much, say older demographics or hyperlocal areas.
Or when you want physical presence, like a banner at a college fest or a stall at an expo. Those real-world vibes still matter sometimes.
But even then, smart marketers mix the two. Print ad, add a QR code linking to your Instagram. Now you've bridged both worlds.
Exactly. Think of traditional as a poster and digital as a conversation. Together, magic.
So here's the TLDR. Traditional marketing is old school, expensive, and slow. Great for brand awareness. Digital marketing is modern, fast, measurable, and perfect for side hustlers and students.
If you're looking to start something, anything, digital marketing is the way to go. It's the great equalizer. No background, no problem. Just curiosity and consistency.
Visit Explainur.com to explore the how-to part. We break it down in plain English with zero fluff and max action.
And if this helped you, share this episode with one friend who still thinks marketing means just making logos.
That's it for today's episode of the Explainur.com podcast.
We hope it helped clear up the differences and maybe even sparked your next idea.
Thank you for listening. Stay curious.
Stay creative.
And stay tuned.